We're all the way 4 hours down here, south of Portland, Oregon. I've driven all the way down by myself, and I always say that my Focus RS is the best daily that I could ask for. Here is why. Because we have fit an entire S14 body kit all the way in this machine. It even comes out all the way to the front. This thing has done the haul, and it is bringing the kit all the way home. It might be just a bit of a squeeze. The garage is a little bit messy, frankly, because we have a lot of stuff that's going to be going on to this car in the next couple videos. This car is basically going fully under the knife, as I like to say, meaning that it's going to be sitting here in the garage for a bit, not seeing any light, because it's time to fully revamp this thing. We've done 3 drift events, and I've gotten the feel for how it handles out in the track, and I love this car very much, and it's about time we kind of personalize it and clean up the looks on the outside. So with that said, right over here we have what is a complete body kit that's going to replace the rear bumper, side skirts, and front bumper onto this car. We don't need to do fenders because this car already has beautiful molded wide body over fenders here in the rear. It's a little dirty, you guys can ignore that. And then in the front it also has a wide body replaced fender. I'm gonna be real with you guys because I don't keep secrets. You guys are my fans. You guys mean a lot. I'm gonna be truthful. And the truth of the matter is, this is a Duraflex kit. Duraflex is very cheap. It is flexible-ish, I think. And it also usually may not fit the best compared to an authentic kit. This specific one I think is based on a Vertex kit for an S14. I just found this used by someone selling it down in Portland, and I saved a lot of money by doing that. My reasoning is, you know, I'm not gonna go spend thousands of dollars on a body kit for a car that's literally gonna be drifted, and who knows how long this kit may even last on the car before it gets hella scraped up, bashed in, cracked, who knows what. So for now, cheap, inexpensive, affordable. That is what's gonna get us through this drift project. The current body kit this car came with, it just has to go. It's just really old school and outdated for me, very early 2000s. I don't really know what's all going on here with that and that. Yeah, it's just not really the best. Jesse pulling up to the crib. Alright, so the goal by the end of the video is to make my car look like this, right?
Hopefully not. Oh, this looks like poly when you sent it, but it's fiberglass. That's pretty sick. It's
Duraflex.
Duraflex!
Yeah. I mean, according to my calculations, we don't even need to take the taillights out, do we?
Really?
No, I don't think so. Because I think so it's clipped in all right there. Here. And then you could get at it in there, and you could it's mounted in right there.
Usually there's some clips under here. But we'll check that out once
yeah, we'll see. If they do, then, screw you, Nissan.
Yeah, then we'll just have to take the taillights off.
Dude, so I was looking into taking off my side skirts, and it's so weird. So there's bolted in up here, and then right here there's a bolt. Oh. And what they did was they like painted over it. So now we're gonna have to like kind of like chip this off. Dude, what the heck? To get at that, because yeah, that's got to be bolted in for sure. Yeah. And same thing on this side. Like you can see, it's like I didn't even notice that. It's just painted over. Yeah, because like I get these two out in here, and the thing is just not moving. So groundbreaking discoveries are being made. It's hard to show on camera because you guys think that there's like a crack here because this is where the bumper separates from the fender, but I think they molded my bumper with my fender because they molded the fender onto the car, but I don't think you're supposed to mold a bumper to the fender. If you guys could see, it looks like a solid seal. Like, you can't just mold a rear bumper onto a car. Like, what if someone wants to take that off?
He was like, this arrow is staying.
What if he's not a fan of this freaking chunky, atrocious boy?
I gotta call Austin. I want Austin to see this.
So my rear bumper, he molded it onto the car. He molded my rear bumper onto the car. Like, there's no crack. It's all molded on one piece.
What the fuck? What the hell?
He for real wanted to mold this beautiful kit.
Thought that kit was the one and only kit for him.
He did.
Yo, Will, check this out. I think we discovered something groundbreaking. Look, it's like perfectly sealed.
What an idiot, bro. I don't even know what you're supposed to do with that.
Right?
Dude, like, I guess you just gotta cut it off with the Dremel, huh?
That's what I was thinking. You could just line. But we're gonna see.
Dude, that's so fucked.
This just got so much more complicated.
Like, come on, bro. Like, you know that kit's not staying on. It's ugly as fuck.
Dude, he was like, yeah, you're staying on here forever.
It's like, dude, this kit is so sick. I'm gonna mold it to the body. It's so fucking.
Dude, this is the coolest kit ever.
It's molded to the fucking body. That's so whack. What the hell?
Yeah, because Jack noticed, he was like, wait a second.
It's not even like molded, like cool.
It's like just sealed. Alright, so we took the tail light out, and just because I wanted to see how this was really connected,
Yeah.
and as you can see, I just barely moved it, and it's just adhesive. It's literally just dried up adhesive, so the show can go on.
Okay, so that shouldn't be that much of a problem.
No. We'll literally just like, literally, I barely moved this, and it just, boop, popped right out.
That'd be so fun. It just took the whole fender
Yeah,
with it.
it's just adhesive.
Yep.
Oh.
So slowly. Yep. We finally loosened contact.
There we go.
Oh yes! It's coming out! Oh my gosh, that's so nice.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, this thing will literally pop all the way off
It's just this side that's kind of a butt, because
because the
homeboy
side's
decided
bolted in.
to metal screw it on.
And then paint over the screw.
Yeah.
So moment of truth.
Will it come out? Oh, on the exhaust. Oh,
Something on the bottom.
yeah. He's got some little screws at the bottom.
Oh my god. There's still more! There's still... Dude, this is the world's most difficult rear bumper. Just continues
He got some
on.
screws on there. Yeah.
Master mechanic at work.
It's one metal screw.
One?
Yeah.
Like just one.
Literally just one.
Okay.
Oh, and then there's the underglow on here still.
Yeah, that's whatever. And finally,
Oh!
yes!
Heck yeah.
And we still do have a rear bash bar.
And
That's
no
always
rear
nice.
frame damage.
Yeah, no rear frame damage. That's
Nice.
always nice to know.
Heck
Too.
yeah, dude. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Why do I feel so accomplished?
Because
That
it was
Dude,
accomplishing.
that was a journey of a bumper.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, now I can take this.
Dude, not gonna lie, the car already looks so much better without this thing on.
Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah. Oh, you know what's funny? I think it would be better to put it on the OEM placements. Come on. Wow.
Whoa! You're on fire! When we try mounting this bumper on, basically what happens, this bumper should be able to go in a lot more because it's literally like sticking out, but that's because something is hitting the rear crash bar right here. And that would be when we take the bumper back off to inspect. Whoops. This piece right here, it just comes out way too far and it hits the crash bar. So we're gonna try trimming this off, and this is why you don't buy Duraflex. Or if you are gonna buy Duraflex, this is what you will consequently run into. Actually, let's do it like more outside.
Yeah, true.
Considering the amount of fiberglass we're about to. I gave Jesse the aviators as eye protection, and he looking kind of fly.
Oh, what that boy do?
He looking kind of dripping over there. Oh.
almost like the width is kind of off.
Definitely running into fitment issues now.
No, it didn't even go in.
I never want to take this bumper off ever again.
Hell no. Hey, check out the new rear.
Did you guys mold it on yet?
No.
We're gonna mold it on in a second so we could accomplish and avenge the person before us. It's a genius idea. I think we should mold it on for the next person to go through the pain that we went through.
Yeah, but this time like mold it on with Bondo.
Yeah.
That would be funny.
I think.
We've spent literally the entire day doing this, and it kind of sucks when you gotta sit back and realize that all you've done is just swap a rear bumper.
Yeah, no, literally, it's like boom, bumper.
Is that all the progress?
Yeah, pretty much.
Jeez. Well, alright, I'll head up there soon. I'll probably take the Miata, and the only reason is because the Miata has gas and the Saturn doesn't.
Yeah, we're gonna have a play day with Peachy Media. This side is mint. We got it flush right there. That was the hardest part, just getting this flush because the Duraflex kept on wanting to pop out. And we got that basically all on there. Other side? So, undisclosed information, what you guys will now know, is that my car is, or was actually white. When they painted it black, they basically just painted the car with the body kit on and didn't paint like the original chassis and everything that wasn't below the body kit. Yeah, you could see over there it's white. So, because of which, because this side of the bumper doesn't fit as flush as the other side, you can see a lot of the white here, and we had a little bit of blemishes and stuff. So, yeah, this side ain't perfect, but you know, car's gonna get wrapped later down the line. I mean, this isn't even the same as that, so it only matters so much right now. This is just kind of a rough fitting on just, you know, getting that on there. But, I mean, I don't even know if you guys can tell. It already, like, this looks like a proper S14 rear end now. That's just so much better. And now we're getting set up on the side skirts, which, how hard could side skirts be?
There we go.
Hey, and we're in.
There we go.
Side skirt on. We still got the other side though. Side skirt speed run. How quick can we take this side skirt off? Okay, so we gotta get these off right there. I think there's a brake caliper.
Yeah, it's just right there. Yeah, it's just.
Take that out. Now, boom!
Oh.
Oh my god. Bro, it's destroying it.
Oh, jeez.
Oh shoot, it's just gonna
Completely break it.
Yeah, it's gonna break.
Oh.
Oh god. We just leave the car like that. There, there we go.
There it is.
And there's the bolt. And I could just lightly unscrew it. Well, it looks like I guess we won't be selling these boys.
Have a little. Have a little graveyard of parts.
Screw that stuff! These are gonna be trouble just trying to fit onto the car. If this fits on perfect first try, I will buy everyone watching this video an S14.
Oh. Oh.
What is it even? Oh, it's not even in the...
Oh yeah, we need to trim that out. Remember this little piece right here. All that.
Well, you guys aren't getting an S14.
No.
Second skirt is on. For the cherry on top. After spending an entire day on rear bumper and skirts, front bumper is literally gonna take 2 seconds.
I'm literally so glad we're done. Damn, it looks so much better. Oh my goodness.
Okay, let me get a zip tie.
Picture media.
We should probably fix your like headlight and grill fitment at some point.
Eventually.
Yeah, eventually. Nah, we'll just go back to Zenki.
I kind of want to Zenki convert the Kuki just because that would break the internet. Like, people would be like, what the fuck?
He went back.
Yeah, what the fuck?
He went back, the first ever person.
No, I literally looked up like Zenki conversion on a Kuki and there's just nothing about it even on the forums. Like, no one has, people have maybe done it, but.
Isn't it just reverse science?
Yeah. Like,
It can't be that hard to figure out.
It's just the same process.
Look up Kuki conversion video on YouTube and then you just
do it with
reverse
Zenki
it.
body parts.
You literally watch the video in reverse.
Or you just do the same thing.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you just
Period.
do body parts, yeah. Okay. Well, damn, this looks so much better.
Dude, I could actually enjoy my car from the side profile now. I mean, this car basically has a Vertex kit on it now. It's just not authentic.
Yeah.
Dura Vertex.
Duratex.
It's funny because it honestly looks really good next to the 32. But this thing in person looks so trashy compared to the 32 is like sitting there all nice and mint and perfect. This thing is so dirty right now.
This car sucks.
And the fitment is not the best.
You know what other
It's got freaking fiberglass dust all over it.
About this fitment.
Yeah, this fitment's really bad too.
Okay, now I have a surprise for you guys though. Is that we have dessert.
That's us.
We have
What?
dessert for the car, meaning that I have one more mod, but this one shouldn't be a problem to put on.
Wait,
so this will be the fun one.
Did we not know about this?
It's really simple, but let me go get it.
Or if it's something corny. Okay, what the?
Ooh.
He got a Christmas tree? I'm only kind of confident. But I don't know.
eBay!
Yo, shout out.
Is
that a ducktail?
Okay. It is a ducktail.
Oh!
God, I'm so smart.
For the trunk.
We're right here. It's a trunk ducktail. I wish it was a roof spoiler. 'Cause
Hold on, let me
honestly,
get the knife. Let me get
It
the
needs
knife.
a roof spoiler more than a ducktail, but this is a carbon fiber ducktail.
My car's got both a massive roof spoiler and a massive ducktail.
I know you're already outdoing me.
Oh my God.
What?
Alright, wait, did you get the other one?
Yeah, I have it. See, we all have one piece.
Okay. Let's mount this up.
I'm so confused, dude.
Carbon fiber.
Yeah,
Oh, that just looks really good.
that's just kind of neat.
That's really nice.
That is what that's gonna kind of turn out to be. It's not on the car yet. We're gonna go ducktail style, at least for now. Brennan brought up a good point that we're actually not gonna fully tape it onto the car right yet because I wanna get this car fully color changed first before we do that. And if we're wrapping it, then it's gonna have to come off for wrap anyway. So we're probably just gonna put it on after we fully wrap the S14. So right now, here's your guys' sneak peek. I think overall, this car has been drastically improved as of today. I mean,
good.
Yeah, maybe we should just use it for that.
Just get another one.
Okay. He's trying to get the underglow up. Come on.
Dude.
You're like,
Oh,
whoa. What the hell? He's light god.
Yo,
He's got a light.
magic media.
Oh my
I
gosh.
think I'm pulling it away. That's like making some connection. Because I think I ripped the wires off.
Yo, can we get an
think it's a short
electrician up in here to explain this?